You gotta make it on a water bottle.
Which one is you gonna go for?
No. Stupid cat.
You retard. Get off! You shits. You can't get it on it.
Come on.
We know to get right up on the cat.
Yeah, the battery's like dying in this thing.
That's not what she said when it was all up in me. Dude, I just messed up my shit. I messed up my asshole.
You just kicked us so freaking hard. Did you learn how to kickboxing? That's disgusting.
Oh, that kicked you.
Oh, it was so close.
Like that kick feel. Alright, did it mess up your shit?
Oh, I can feel that. I just want to fucking enter my eyes.
Did you see the kick though? Were you still recording when I kicked you?
Yeah, it's still recording. Oh!
I laughed when you were recording.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Sorry.
It's still recording. How do you stop it?
I don't know.
Just push back. Why'd you stop it?
No.